Very good evening, everyone. Welcome from Sneak Rehab Foundation. So we are in the last session of NIOS, but we have got a wonderful information in this last three sessions. I mean, introduction to NIOS, decoding NIOS part 1, decoding NIOS part 2, and now we are on the final session of question answers. So I hope you all did your homework and came for the question answers. So we have, those who joined today, new parents, I'm sure, because lot many new registrations have got. For them, we have with us Mrs. Jasprit Kaur. She is a principal of Amrit Masonic School, a school for children with additional needs, and she is a parent professional with 18 years of experience in special education. She is an expert in universal design of learning and has transacted curriculums of all national boards. And Jasprit has successfully implemented all levels of the NIS program for CWSN for the last around 10 years, and she is very enthusiastic advocate of the open schooling system. I mean, you know now, even I started feeling very positive about NIOS personally. So I request parents to be very brief in their questions so that we give chance to other. Because if you are telling your whole story, that will take a much of a time, and we cannot take multiple question of other parents. So you can put your questions in chat box as well as you can raise your hand. I mean, I will few of them I will take from chat box and then I'll unmute accordingly. But please briefly, you please put up your query. So welcome Jasprit ma'am and Joshua sir.
Thank you very much, Harshali. Can I start with the question?
Yeah.
Can I start with the question?
Yes.
आपको inspiration कैसे मिली? You're way younger than I am. आपको inspiration कैसे मिली ये start करने की? It's such a beautiful enterprise. आपके सभी webinars इतने अच्छे होते हैं. पहली बार कोई ऐसा group है जो, it's not a hogwash. Whatever you say, you're going to be explaining. It's explained in such great depth. In fact, you're the first group I agreed to. You called me within a second, I agreed to come with you. Because more often than not, सिर्फ वो एक ना NIOS आजकल एक hot word है, चलो हमको करना है. आपका webinar ऐसा नहीं होता. At such a young age, what brought on this? What prompted you to start SNIC?
SNIC, like I'm working on SNIC since last maybe 5 years. I mean, I'm not, but that was alone I was working. I was developing the concept of SNIC and everything, values, mission, vision. I have set of structure for SNIC, you know. So I was working on the ground level. Like in Nagpur, I wanted to establish SNIC first, and then I thought कि चलो फिर बाहर निकलते हैं, फिर लोगों से connect करते हैं. But due to this COVID, no, I mean, I thought sitting at home, why not to help on virtual platform? And then अभी तक मुझे फिर ये करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही थी, registrations or help and all. But then I decided we already had a team of directors. Like I have other 6 directors with me, but I'm the managing director and I'm most active, obviously, because they have their jobs to do. All are dads and I'm a mom, so I'm at home. So I thought I'll take up this virtual platform, and just motivation is in Nagpur, जब मेरे बच्चे diagnose हुए थे, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला था. I was in Bhilai basically that time, and मुझे वहाँ भिलाई में कोई help नहीं मिली थी. Autism क्या है समझ में नहीं आना था. Then I went to Bangalore for assessment, and I was like haywire कि मैं क्या करूँ. And here in Nagpur resources की कमी थी. I thought जो फाइंडिंग्स जैसे क्या है, ऑटिज्म क्या है, ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी क्या है, स्पेशल एजुकेशन, एबीए, स्पीच थेरेपी, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट दैट बहुत सारे लोग इसमें से जा रहे होंगे कि व्हाट इज इट. एंड एक प्रॉपर जो बेसिक नॉलेज मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, कि एक ऑथेंटिक नॉलेज नहीं मिल पाता लोगों को। ऊपरा ऊपरी सेशंस करना या फिर हल्का सा आइडिया देना, वो तो बहुत होते रहता है। आई मीन मैं किसी और को नहीं ब्लेम कर सकती, बट इट्स जनरल प्रैक्टिस कि एक छोटा सा टॉपिक लेके फिर कर दो और फिर वो खत्म हो जाता है वहां पे। बट नहीं, आई थॉट वॉट एवर वेबिनार और session I will take, no, that will itself, it should be so good in content. It should answer, मेरा हमेशा speakers को रहता है कि it should answer each and every questions of the parents, so that उसमें ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ही खेल रहे हैं। ऑब्वियसली क्वेश्चंस तो बहुत होंगे बिकॉज किड्स आर डिफरेंट, बट बेसिक नॉलेज जो होता है वो होना चाहिए। सो दैट्स ऑल द वेबिनार्स के पहले ही I ask speaker that okay, I don't want a superficial webinar. I need in depth. I want to go in depth. Each and every topic of your field, you should talk to my parents. Otherwise, I will not take that person.
You succeeded very well. आपके सभी होते हैं.
Thank you.
It's wonderful meeting people like you.
Thank you so much. I mean, I can see the same energy in you both actually. कि to deliver this much knowledge.
तो पता है?
हाँ? Sorry.
I said, and you're much younger than me.
Okay.
So हमारे बच्चे हमारी एनर्जी ले आते हैं. They maintain our energy.
Yeah. No, but it should be same enthusiasm and same वो होना चाहिए, जज्बा होना चाहिए ना लोगों को डिलीवर करने का भी.
वो भी होना चाहिए. Sure, if you say you'll help, then you really should help.
Yes.
So I think काफी questions are there.
Yes, we should start it. Yeah. Thank you so much for I mean coming on SNIC, and now we will not leave you. We will be.
I think when you said the COVID thing, I and Joshua have been doing these registrations for a very long time. But again, we were working on ground level, yes, but only ground level in Noida. So, in fact, this will take only a minute. Jab first webinar kiya humne, so there was this girl calling consistently from Pune. See, ma'am said, do the webinar, we put out the promo, and then we went crazy. एक group भरा, दूसरा भरा, तीसरा 750 हो गए. फिर हम लोग तो बिल्कुल पागल हो गए. हमने तो में कुछ वो भी नहीं दिया था link. We were taking all calls. This one girl from Punjab was consistently calling. Finally, I said, okay, कुछ तो है यहाँ पे. So I sat down with her and I told her, sweetheart, what's wrong? आप मुझे अच्छे से बताओ बेटा, क्या हो क्या रहा है? मेरे दो HI brothers हैं. I am the only earning member of the family. She was, I think, about 18. Okay. And I'm the only one earning, and I earn pretty well. She told me how she earns. बड़े भाई की एडमिशन करा दी, उसने 10th कर लिया है. छोटे भाई ने 10th कर लिया, बड़े भाई को 12th कराना है. मेरे पास 20,000 रुपए नहीं है. And I'm like, 20,000, I called her back that night. वो दिमाग में बात रह गई. Somebody had been charging her 20,000 for the registrations. That Joshua does in about 5 to 7 minutes. So that's when we realized the rampant misinformation.
Yeah.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा उसकी हेल्प करके, और ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग आए, now her brothers enrolled, उसके बाद उसको कभी-कभी भी help चाहिए. It feels good. Now we, with this, the virtual thing, we've actually been able to take the help to people who really need it. I think that's what you're also talking about. आप नागपुर में रह जाते हैं, लेकिन आप all pan India इसलिए हो गए क्योंकि virtual हो गए.
Yes. I mean, we found the opportunity in the challenge of COVID. That was key of the summit, so I always saying that. Okay, we'll start from the chat box, ma'am, or.
Okay, so I'll read the question, or you want to read the questions?
Whatever. I mean, you are very faster than me, actually.
Son will register for 22-23 when I should get him evaluated at government hospital for exam concession record, or before registering for NIS online, I should have the report done.
This is Pratiksha. So, ma'am, can you clarify which level you are going to be applying for?
Actually, it doesn't really matter. Pratiksha ji, अगर आपके बच्चे को challenges हैं, so NIS को छोड़िए. उसका एक ही identity है, the disability certificate. और now जो आप शुरू हुआ है UDID, तो आपको NIS करना है नहीं करना है, आपको assessment तो चाहिए. 2 reasons से. पहली बात, असेसमेंट आपको रोड मैप देगा कि मैं कहाँ पे हूँ और मुझे कहाँ जाना है, और दूसरी बात, उस असेसमेंट की वजह से आपको ना सिर्फ NIS में एडमिशन, लेकिन जब वो 18 का हो जाएगा, गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी स्कीम्स हैं वो आपको, oh sorry, okay, so the disability certificate is critical the same way that our PAN card, our Aadhaar cards are critical for us. So our children, the best form of identification they have is the disability certificate. Okay, by the way, I really hope everybody knows this. When special needs children turn 18, they do not automatically become adults. They become adults, but they do not become responsible for themselves. And we cease to be their guardians. By the way, please keep this in mind. जब तक मेरे साथ एक बहुत बुरा हादसा नहीं हुआ, मैंने realize नहीं किया the importance of this factor. When the child turns 18, you have to apply for a guardianship certificate. You have to then become the guardian, and that will not happen till you have the disability certificate. That and a million other things will not happen till you have the disability certificate. So, not for NIS registration, please get your child assessed. Please get the disability certificate made. It is critical. And yes, for admission to NIOS. Now, let's take two scenarios. One, you don't have a certificate, and one, you have one. If you don't have a certificate, you will have to enroll in a regular AA or AI. OB level ho, chahe secondary, senior secondary ho, you will register in an AA or AI. But if you have a certificate, you will be able to register in a SAID. And there automatically your you would want your child's question papers to be assessed by a special educator. You do not want a regular teacher checking your son's question papers, your child's question papers. That is only possible if you have attached the disability certificate along with the registration. Otherwise, kya hoga? It is possible. See, even the AAs have been given, are told कि अगर आपके पास special needs बच्चा है जिसने आपका अपलोड नहीं किया disability certificate, उसने concessions नहीं लिया है, फिर भी आप उसके question, please mark the answer sheet so that it is evaluated by special educator. But it does not always happen. The guarantee for that is that please get the assessment done, get a disability certificate made, register with the disability certificate, and when that happens, your child's question papers will be assessed by a special educator. And that is what you want that to happen. But yes, sir was saying what level it is. It matters more at the secondary level and senior secondary level and lesser at the OB level. Concessions to OB भी चाहिए. Concessions तो दोनों जगह चाहिए आपको. और concessions तो आपको disability certificate के बिना नहीं मिलेंगे. आप register उसके बिना करा. You can register without a disability certificate, but when you go to apply for a scribe or for extra time or for any of the relaxations, you will get them only and only if you have a DC.
She's saying it's for 10th. So, ma'am, for 10th, if you it is better to get the disability certificate before you apply for the registration, because in the registration there is a separate section asking for the level of disability, right? So, if you select the disability as yes, then you will get a SAID center. Otherwise, you will not get a SAID center. Okay. So, my recommendation is that please make sure you get your disability certificate before you enroll.
But just in case you're losing time and you would like to register without it, get it done and then please upload it as soon as you can. You can do that. You can upload it later also.
But that would also involve, then you will need to change your center as well. So you need to make 2 requests for that.
आपकी 2 requests होंगे, you'll be charged double the amount. So it makes a lot more sense to get it made beforehand.
And I think plus you're looking at 22-23 next year. So I think it should be okay. You will have time to follow the procedures to get it done. Okay, then the question from Riddhi. If the child doesn't take maths, science in NIOS secondary and senior secondary, what are the career avenues in future?
I don't know. Very few special needs children who take science and maths in secondary.
Doesn't.
I know very few children who do take maths and science. So you have home science. I told you in all 3 of them, one of the avenues. In 8th and 10th, you take bakery. In 12th, you take catering. Even before you finish your senior secondary, you have a career ready with you. Actually, this is a misnomer. ये तो फिर neurotypical पे भी apply करेगा ना, maths नहीं किया तो क्या career मिलने वाला है? The same careers that are available to neurotypical are available to our children also. You have wonderful subjects, fine arts, painting, home science, many avenues.
Data entry operator, ma'am. You know there are a lot of avenues.
Data entry operation is probably the best.
But that would
career option.
that would depend on your child's ability and your socio-economic background. Right.
Suppose you've done data entry operations at 10th level, and at 12th you have two subjects. You have computer science as well as data entry operations. You do so you've done computers at both secondary and senior secondary level. After that, NIOS has standalone vocational courses. आप वो भी कर लीजिए. Your footing becomes even more solid. There are lots of career options without maths and science.
The next question is Kajal Dasgupta. I am from Bangalore. Tried to find study centers given by link. It didn't give me any centers when I was filling in type of center. Finally, it showed me 4 or 5 centers in all Bangalore, but there was no type mentioned. How to check which one is a special needs center?
Say, I'll do it.
Ma'am, Said, you are saying you are not able to find which one is Said in Bangalore.
Maybe there isn't a SAID at Bangalore. It's quite possible. I don't think so. I think there is a SAID at Bangalore.
Do not know.
Yeah, there are a lot of people from our groups are there. But even if you do not find a SAID, ma'am, the parents have simply to be aware. अगर आपको SAID center नहीं मिला है, if you've joined a regular AI, please, the certificate is attached. When you go for the exams, please remind the coordinator again. I'm assuming that before going for the exams, you've been to a center quite a few times. So your coordinator is familiar with your child already. But in case that has not happened, and even if it has happened, on the day of the exam, please remind them of the challenges your child faces. And when the time for the exam is up, you absolutely have to go and ask the coordinator, has my question answer sheet been marked as that of a special needs child? That's all you need, even if you do not find a SAID. You have to be, we are anyway constantly aware with our children. एक सेकंड के तो हम उनको अकेला छोड़ते नहीं है. So exam में भी आपको वही करना है. Be constantly aware. See, even if we do find a SAID, our study center is a SAID. आज हमारा PCP हुआ. There were about 20 children taking the class for the painting. Every one of them had different challenges, and all the parents were outside. And I was encouraging every one of them to please go meet the person giving the training afterwards and appraise him of your child's challenge. इस बार सिर्फ एक PCP मिल रहा है. There was just one class, so the examiner would not have enough time to remember everybody's faces. So please go and appraise him of what your child's challenge is. Please do that on the day of the exam also. I still do it. Even though Amarjyoti is very familiar with my daughter, I will still go and tell the examiner, ma'am, she has this problem. Every single exam.
Okay, question from Ramya. How can we make special kids feel better with exam centers? Do you suggest taking a trip to show the center? Ma'am, that was definitely a given. You will definitely need to take your child to the center to make the child feel comfortable in the center, know where the exam centers are going to be, which class they're probably going to be sitting in, and who are going to be the teachers.
Ma'am,
and the teachers
how we start. The first step is travel कैसे करेंगे. That's what we do. हम कैसे travel करेंगे, कहाँ से जाएंगे, कितनी देर लगेगी. Then when we enter, we stand at the gate. We show them the whole thing. See, you have a therapy center on this side. This is a school. We're going to be going here. This is the only gate. We have a wonderful center where they have only one exit gate, which is how it should be. Uske baad jaake, they meet the teachers. At the very beginning, we request the study center to let our children come and sit in a couple of classes. हमारे बच्चे do not only get acclimatized, familiar with the teachers, they also get familiar with the students. They at times will bond also with some students. What we do is, these people have a Diwali Mela and they have a picnic. At least they had till last year. So our children used to put up a stall at the Diwali Mela and we used to accompany them on the picnics also. आप अगर ऐसा request करो, वो करना चाहते हैं. The school should feel like their own school to your child. It is not just about taking them once or twice. They should be very familiar with the place. They should know where the bathrooms are. The bathroom should not come as a surprise. The water fountain should not come as a surprise. The maid should not come as a surprise. They should be familiar with all of them.
Okay, ma'am, and for all the other questions that you've asked, can we take a laptop? Can they be given pass mark? I'm not able to do practical. He's not used paintbrush, and we have not got any textbook for practical exams. Ma'am, all of this will be conducted by the center only. You need to get in touch with your center that you're selecting. You need to talk to that person who's the coordinator there, to understand what practicals are going to happen. So that is the reason why we have this PCP classes. So what is going to happen? What are the different questions that are going to be there? What topics will they cover in practicals? So that is all something that you will need to discuss with the study center to understand. If you've not enrolled for study center, and if in NIOS and you don't have a study center, all this information will continue to be haunting you only, because the NIOS will not give any answer to these. These questions are to be answered specifically by the study center.
In case you're a new registration, PCP is Personal Contact Program. It is a class that is given for all practical subjects. So a study center is completely responsible. Your theory exams are evaluated by your NIOS regional center, but your practical is complete responsibility of the study center. Please get in touch with them.
Srishi sir has asked, last session stretched on very long and the results were announced only a month back. Next schedule of exams will be in February. No, sir, the next schedule of exams is going to happen right now in the next 2 months.
No. OB, Roshni is level 8 now, right, sir?
Okay.
Yeah. It will not be possible to cover any levels, so any point in registration this September. Sir, sabhi centers syllabus kam kar rahe.
Now might be a good idea, sir.
Now might be a very good idea. Our center has cut the syllabus by half.
Okay.
Oh, actually, आप जाके check कीजिए, sir. This is common sense. I think everybody should be doing it.
अभी तक तो मैम, अभी तक तो उन लोगों ने अपनी बुक्स भी सेटल नहीं करी हैं. कौन सी बुक्स लेंगे? They are not settled at all.
तो सर वो कहाँ से syllabus complete करेंगे ना? Wonderful. I think opportunity. Go talk to them.
Okay, question from Ms. Padma. My son is non-verbal, differently abled, and he is NRI. Is he qualified to join NIOS?
Is he an Indian citizen?
If he's an Indian citizen, he can.
And does he qualify for the age? There are only 2 requirements for NIOS. आपका age cognizant होना चाहिए और आप Indian होने चाहिए बस. बाहर रहते हो तो भी चलेगा.
In fact, today we had somebody.
This probably is the same person whose husband came today. Are you in Bangalore? Is she in Bangalore? Somebody had come from SNCC today, who are based in Saudi Arabia.
Who are going to Saudi Arabia.
Going to Saudi Arabia.
So they had come with a list of questions today. How to ensure that the answer sheets are evaluated by special educators? Mr. Rohit, so if you have selected disability during the admission process, then you will get a SAID.
Mr. Rohitesh, your son is an Indian citizen?
No, he is a US citizen, but I have filled that as a US citizen in the form, and already he has cleared DEO and English.
Do you have dual citizenship?
India doesn't have dual citizenship.
So do you have Aadhaar card? I know India doesn't have, but
Yeah.
you know, do you have Aadhaar card?
He has Aadhaar card. It is not. That's what. It is not necessary to be an Indian citizen.
How does he have
So-
an Aadhaar card if he's a US citizen?
And they can make it. If the child is born there, by default they will take over the citizenship there.
That's what I'm saying. Aadhaar card.
So if you have an
Yeah, Aadhaar card has nothing to do with citizenship. Any citizen of world can and who lives in India can have an Aadhaar card.
Understood. But why you will need to have an Indian government identity proof. If you have that, you can do. So that is what they
Yes.
mean as.
Yes, exactly.
It could-
So that, yeah, I wanted to clear that, ma'am. You don't need to be an Indian
It
citizen.
could be voter card, it could be a ration card, it could be even a bank account, it could be
Yes.
electricity, it could be anything. As long as you have a Indian government identity card, you can apply for NIOS, because that is what they mean by citizen.
I remember this question was asked of Sandhya ma'am once, and she said the same thing. ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं भी नहीं लिखा है. I remember her saying something like this.
So, ma'am, going to the my question, this is how to get his is done, but like somebody else also said that there is no SAIC. I could not see an SAIC center in Bangalore. Okay, now DPS is his center now, and he goes to a school which only takes NIOS students. Okay, so there is so how to make it how to make sure that he's copy
Yes, I
that.
think that is what we were discussing just now.
Yes, I heard.
So,
So,
we go to a SAID. My center is a SAID, and
Yeah.
my daughter is as good as a student there. I still, before every single exam, will go and say, ma'am, of course you know Ekam, but I'd still like to tell you, she might do this. And when her evaluation sheet is being extended, everybody knows there that, she will come and see whether it has been stamped or not.
okay. So can parents go and check whether it's stamped or not?
actually suggest that even before the exams start, I mean, whenever you're taking your son there, please make sure, that make sure the teachers know him.
Huh.
So even you will not get a lot of opportunities because of the lockdown. But even before, if you're going only for the exam, at least that day go half an hour early, let him roam around the place, let him get used to the layout of the place.
So he studied in DPS till in 8th grade. So he knows the center well.
In a nutshell, to answer your question, all they will need to do is that just when they are sending the examination, the answer sheet back to the NIOS Digital Center, they will do some special marking. But that whether the student whether the evaluation has to be whether the child is special needs or not. All you will need to do is that make sure you tell the staff upfront that this is what is there, and they will put the required markings for that.
Okay, so I know the NIOS coordinator for DPS, so I can call her and then talk to her and say, and she knows my son as well because he has studied with her. So that.
ऐसा होता है, we have a very, very aware parent. In fact, the mother is a doctor and very aware parent. She was not able to get a seat. With her also this happened. Even despite her telling them again and again, she was not able to get the answer sheet stamped. And when the marks came, we realized that the question paper had been evaluated by a regular teacher. After that, she's become very particular. Once her daughter finishes the exam, she makes sure she goes and checks whether the answer sheet has been stamped or not.
Can the parent go and look whether the answer sheet has been stamped or not?
You can request the teacher, sir.
So obviously, sir, there is no official procedure for you to go and demand for it, but obviously that is on a personal basis.
Personal basis.
Yeah. I'll do that.
I'm not even saying they will let you, but I'm saying you can try requesting. It's basically a personal.
I got that.
Yeah. So then, next question is Shilpa Nandakarni.
Mr. Rohitesh, you got the demand marks distribution?
Yeah, I got it. That's why I raised my hands. I was saving it for later. So basically, a good strategy would be to go through those chapters very thoroughly, and once they are done, then go to the other chapters. Is that
I would very strongly recommend that do the first chapter at the very end.
Okay.
And if the child is challenged more, then the first chapter can be left out altogether. The module about the food is probably the most. I'm opening what I sent you. The one. Okay, I'll get the book. You can very easily, decide what to do and where to do it.
So that is
no. I'm talking about these 8 chapters I got. These chapters I got.
That is precisely the point, right? So when, let's say, in case if you want to appear for an exam, that is what you will do. You will see which chapter will have maximum coverage of marks, right? You just need to basically have an idea of how much marks you want to study, and based on the ability of the child, you can put in you can choose the chapters that is fits your requirements.
No, sir. My question is a bit different.
Okay.
I was worried about the ability of the child to do all the chapters because the course is very exhausting. Now, if these are only 8, he can easily do 8 chapters. He can easily do 12 chapters. He can easily do 15 chapters, and that should be okay. So my strategy for what I think should be that I do these 8 chapters first, and then whatever time is left, I go to the other chapters.
Absolutely, sir. That is how it is going to be. Yeah.
One last thing, what I usually recommend is if you're doing selective learning, please complete modules. I mean, don't do few chapters from each module. Sorry, Brian is right. We need to go on to other questions. But one last thing, suppose you're doing the food module, please complete the food module.
Okay,
don't do a few chapters each. That would be my recommendation.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Shilpa Nandakarni, I live in Goa. Goa doesn't have a study center for OBE level. We have standard in 10th NIOS directly. I want to enroll my 12-year-old with ASD for OBE.
Ma'am, one thing would be, please go tell some school, get few parents get together, and please go convince a school to become an OB. It is very, very easy, and they earn a lot. You can tell them it makes financial sense. If they might have a few students right now, and they might have to go look for those students. But if they have an OB, then they have it makes a lot of financial sense. And it's very easy to become one. We can help you. And otherwise, you'll have to find a center that is close by.
So if there's no center there, you might want to just in case, touch base with the regional center in Bombay or somewhere. Just
Pune.
Maybe,
the regional center is in Pune.
So in Pune. So maybe they will guide you, and they will give you some directions around if something new is coming up.
We have found the regional, at least I have found the regional centers to be helpful. Shishir sir is laughing. but I have found it to be helpful.
Okay, next question from Dilip Gupta. My daughter is in 6th grade going in normal school, but does not seem that she may cope further. What options do we have? NIOS is the option. NIOS is one of the options. I'm not saying NIOS is the option, but NIOS is one of the options you can consider.
Our ASD children finish NIOS but face challenges because of behavior when employment comes. Can you guide about employment opportunities to such children? Ma'am, as Harshali and Ryan, we have lots of parents here, but at least these two parents, I know their children. You are trying to, from the very first day, aren't you people trying to fix the behaviors? Not just for employment, for them to have any sort of life at all. All we have to do in ASD is take care of the bodily needs. The behaviors are, from what I know, the behaviors are because the bodies make them uncomfortable. So अगर आप उनकी पेट की भूख मिटाते हैं तो उनकी बाकी सारी requirements भी तो पूरी करेंगे ना. हम neurotypical बच्चों की करते हैं ना. My younger daughter is in 11th. She's going on to 12th. All I'm doing is collecting money because she's going to need money when she finishes at 12th. We take care of all the needs of all our children. That's it, whether ASD, non-ASD, anything. So if you've taken care of the behaviors or their requirements, then by the time they come to the employment stage, they anyway will be ready. But yes, having said that, a lot of opportunities are opening up. I'll give you a very small example. This might help a lot of parents. Recently की बात नहीं है, but Amazon का जो packaging department है, वहाँ पे वो लोग हमारे बच्चों को prefer करने लग गए हैं. There was a Ministry of Skill Development ने बहुत बड़ा propaganda किया and all that. So initially, it was very difficult to convince them. But now I've been told on good authority कि वो लोग specially autism के बच्चों को ढूंढते हैं. You know why? मैम कुछ भी कर लो, चोरी तो होने वाली नहीं है. In-house romances भी नहीं होने वाले हैं. वो अगर 5 बजे चला जाएगा तो लंच से 1 बजे वापस भी तो आ जाएगा. पूरे 1 बजे वापस आ जाएगा. 1:10 पे वापस नहीं आएगा. And they now actually seek managers also. ना खुद चोरी करने देंगे ना किसी और को करने देंगे. So जो चीजें आपको challenges लगती हैं वो किसी ना किसी industry में definitely advantage भी होंगी. We have to look for them. We'll not wait for the government to look for them. The government is aggressively looking for them. But please, you also look around you. Find people. And my experience is a lot of people will want to help you. If you've done your groundwork. I'm sorry, that's my opinion.
Please let me know how to get disability certificate.
You go to the UDID, you simply type UDID.
You type UDID online in Google. A site called Swadlamban will open up. It is an online registration process. It's a very simple form that has to be filled in. So once you fill in, you will get directed to you will know from which hospital you will need to go for evaluation. You please go there, the evaluation will happen and the certificate will be issued. I
can give one tip here. What your registration will say is, Rohitesh, thank you. He's put in the link for the UDID. One tip I can give you, please do, what the registration will say is that somebody will call you for the appointment. Don't wait for that. Go to that hospital. They will have assigned 1 day a week for the disability certificate to be made. Find out and aggressively ask for the assessment date.
Okay, what are the requirements to become a study center? Ma'am, study center is either you should be already a school, or if you're an NGO, you should have a building. The land.
Lots and lots of requirements. They're all mentioned there. 2 very simple ones. For OBE, you have to be registered as a society somewhere or an NGO.
And you need to have you need to be the land where the school, the building is there, that either has to be owned by you or the trust of the society, or has to be under lease.
आप एक बार form खोलिए, आपको दिख जाएंगी. There's lots of groundwork, there's lots of paperwork, but not difficult paperwork. आपको 3 साल का आपका accounts दिखाने पड़ेंगे, बहुत कुछ दिखाना पड़ेगा, but it is very easily doable.
If you actually open
please site, open the
form,
and all the requirements are there on the first page.
It's very simple form. You just need to make sure that you have all your documents correct.
Documents in place. Your CA will help you with those. My child is 13. She has difficulty in reading, comprehension, and math, but she's very smart in daily living activities and is quite independent. I'm hoping that she could do 10th so that she can get some vocational training to make her independent in adult life. Ma'am, one, to take vocational subjects, she does not necessarily have to do 10th. NIOS के vocational courses 2 types के होते हैं. There's one which are mapped to the 10th and 12th, but there are standalone courses also. And some of these courses can be done without having read at all. And for some of them, you need, let's say, OBE levels. So please look at the vocational NIOS vocational courses. Everybody, my daughter, she has to make in a mandatory appearance.
Hi.
Either sit here or you can go. Sit and watch. Just go, please. It's very simple. I have meetings. I don't have webinars. If I don't have webinars, I have to join yours. The logic is indisputable, so I can't help it. Anji.
Yeah, I got my certificate from KEM, but
Sorry, I don't think we finished that. तो आप कर सकते हैं, आप vocational courses कर लीजिए standalone वाले, और अगर what are good subjects would actually, if you can speak to me directly, if you can connect, I could help you better. कई बार मैम मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग बहुत undervalue करते हैं अपने बच्चों को. If your child is that good at daily living, I have met one Down syndrome child who really had a low IQ, but who had a very good social quotient. But I've met only one of those kind. Usually, if a child is that good at ADLs, then some amount of ability is there. Your child probably is capable of doing 10th. So if you could connect with me directly, we could assess a bit better.
Ramya, I got my certificate from KEM, but they made a mistake in class. So I had asked them to make corrections. I have registered, but I can attach later. Ma'am, in the form, there was an option for a type of disability. So what did you select in the type of disability?
Ramesh ji, would you like to unmute? आप उधर जाके देखिए. आप तो disturb हो गए ना? Maybe she can write it later.
Okay, so what I think you need to do is if you have not if you have
I think
not
she's
attached
talking about the certificate.
DC.
So 1 year, not DC. In class she's writing, no? Ma'am, I think she means NIS का certificate गलत मिल गया.
Yeah, no. I got the LD certificate made from KEM, but what happened was in the, there is a provision list attached to the letter. So in the provision list on the top, they have mentioned as class 12 for higher secondary exam, higher secondary examination provisions, but is actually appearing for the 10th exam. So I had told them there is a mistake in the provision letter. So I told them to make the correction, and they took another 2 months to make the correction, and I'm yet to collect it. So I didn't want to wait until the LD is in my hand before I registered. So I have already registered his name in NIO's website, but can I attach the letter later?
Ma'am,
The certificate.
When you say LD, what do you mean? What certificate are you referring to, please?
He actually has mild autism. So if I
Attach it later, absolutely you can. You can
Okay.
attach it.
Ma'am, whatever, even if it is 12th, it doesn't matter, because that is not what I think they are looking for. I think you can what you can do is, in the type of disability, you please
Yes.
select them, and then you please upload it, right? And then you make sure you pay the fees also. So
I
that
think you're already registered. That's what he
I
said.
have registered. My question is, will attaching the letter, the certificate later would still give me the provisions?
Absolutely.
Like you mentioned, because the answer sheet will come marked and they will be allotted a special educator for corrections. So
Ma'am,
will that affect
when did you register? Which year?
this year in July?
So then before paying the examination fees for the next year, he can appear only next year, April, right? Block. So before
Yes.
paying the examination fees, you have to upload the letter. You can
Okay.
definitely later.
yes, ma'am. So
Okay, perfect.
there is something called e-services, which will let you make corrections to the form. You will have to open that, and then you can make the corrections there.
Okay, thank you.
Something called e-services. It will come on your dashboard.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Anjali, is there any organization which gets kids prepared for employment environment through practical exposure?
Absolutely, ma'am. There's a Ministry for Skill Development, which has identified 16, work areas which they're trying to promote for our children. I don't know how much of presence they have in your city, wherever you might be residing, but please go now. Here comes in the role of the government organizations. Please look for the Ministry of Skill Development department, wherever it is in your city, and go to them directly. Don't approach NGOs or anybody. I really recommend doing that. Ministry of Skill Development will have their presence in most places. If not in your city, someplace close by city. आप वहाँ पे जाके सीधा उनको approach कीजिए.
Okay, next question from Parthiba Muthukumaran. Ma'am, is it possible to have medium of instruction in your own regional language? Yes, you can.
Of course.
Yes, you can.
आप please जब register करेंगे, आपको mediums आएंगे. For 12, there are only 6 mediums. For 11th, I think there are 11 mediums. 10th, there are 11 mediums. मेरा बेटा 7 year का है, verbal है, कुछ understand भी है, पर पूरी नहीं. डॉक्टर ने बोला ऑटिज्म है लेकिन कोई IQ लेवल टेस्ट नहीं हुआ, क्या कोई टेस्ट है और कहाँ पर है? अभी कोई रीडिंग राइटिंग भी नहीं करता। मैम वेयर आर यू बेस्ड? प्लीज गो टू योर नियरेस्ट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, वहां से आपको आगे डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगा। हमारे पास अगर कोई भी पूछता है कि हमें कुछ नहीं पता और हम उनसे बात भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हम उनको एक लाइन बोलते हैं, आपके सबसे पास के गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल के साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास पहुंच जाओ, दैट्स इट। वहां से आगे वो ध्यान रख लेंगे। बट अदरवाइज अगर आप मुझे बता दें आप कहाँ हैं तो शायद मैं आपकी थोड़ी स्पेसिफिक हेल्प कर पाऊँ। बट जहां भी आप हैं अपने सबसे करीबी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल के चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास पहुंच जाइए। My son is in 4th standard presently in formal school, wants to know if in 8th standard I should go for NIOS, yet he is facing struggle with maths in formal school. Ma'am, that is what NIOS is targeting. Anybody who wants a parallel education system, who is not being able to transact the mainstream system, should at least evaluate NIOS. I'm not saying do it. I'm saying please check out the study centers around you, go meet them, see what they're offering, and see if you at least can transact that.
Okay, and Mr. Rohitesh, my AA center is not taking any PCP classes. What I got from my son's school is that they will give full marks apparently. Is this right?
Of course it is right. A lot of their centers are doing this. I had to bully my center today, even though I'm very, very good friends with them. I have been bullying them for the last 10 days incessantly. I called the coordinator even at 10 in the night. Ma'am, kuch ho gaya kya? So she finally relented and gave us a PCP because I believe that the PCP is one of those experiences that bring about the miracles that NIOS does. I'm a great believer in PCPs, but otherwise, fikar mat kijiye. If your center is not giving you a PCP, they are mandated to give you the 50% of marks.
Ma'am, Jaya Mitra, I want to know the admission procedure of this and also want to know the center of this in Kolkata. I think admission process, ma'am, it's an online process. It is there in the NIOS website. And I think for knowing about the study center in Calcutta, I think Rishi sir is the best person.
Rishi sir, आप बोलिए सेंटर में कोलकाता में कितने सेंटर्स हैं? मनोविकास, ICP, आलोकधारा.
So you can please connect.
There are centers.
So Shashikant sir is also from Calcutta. He is the best person to guide you, and he has already a lot of experience with different schools there.
It all depends. IICP is only equipped for level A and B. They are not equipped for level C. Manovikas is there. People are unhappy, but then I'm unhappy, but then they are full-fledged. They got everything in place.
And Alokdhara, sir, what is that?
Alokdhara is attached to IICP. It's just a special school attached to IICP.
Okay.
But sir, आपका जो group है WhatsApp, उसमें सर का number होगा. I've sent his number to a lot of people. He's extremely helpful with everybody. You can also impose on him.
Okay. Mr. Shobha said, ma'am, can I get the mark distribution for senior secondary?
For which subject, ma'am?
Ma'am, it is there. It is there in all the books.
All the books.
It is there in all the books. The mark distribution will be there in all the books.
This book is torn. Mr. Rohitesh wanted the mark distribution. I simply sent him a picture of the last page. That's all. It's there at the end of every book. हमारी book फटी हुई है.
Okay,
It's there on the website also. I think Mr. Rohitesh said नहीं है, होना चाहिए था, but it's there in all the books. आप मुझे subject लिख के भेज दीजिए, मैं आपको बता दूँ.
Okay, Zakia, my son, 12 years, he completed second standard in Saudi, very well. But after that, we came to India and can't find special school. So in normal school, he continues because of COVID. They are promoting him. Now he's in 5th standard, can't attend online lectures. Now he forgets simple phonics also. If I want to start NIOS, from which standard should I continue and don't know any study center at?
Ambarnath
near Kalyan. Can you help?
This must be Bombay. Ma'am, if the online classes were happening, where were you when the online classes were happening? How did he forget the phonics? Phonics to classes में होता नहीं. Phonics तो सारा दिन होता है. When he asks for water, phonics होता है. When he asks for food, phonics होता है. So I think, I'm sorry again if I'm offending anybody, but I don't think the blame game helps. The only person who suffers is your child. If the school is not functioning, you are the parent, na? You are the primary caregiver. You take care of it. Even if the school is doing a very good work, you take care of it. NIOS, if he's 12 years, would depend on his level. You can join in at any level. As I think all of us know very well by now, no prior certification is needed. Ma'am, from this year, acha, there's another question. So I would, as a parent, I would suggest please take over from the school. The COVID has impacted everybody, more the neurotypical than the neurodivergent. तो अगर जब हम उनका ध्यान पूरा रखते हैं, my younger daughter can't find tuitions. We anyway don't believe in them. So I study with her. These days, I think Mr. Rohitesh has sent him, somebody has sent a message last night at 2:30 or something. And he wrote back in the morning, when do you sleep? Now, if I'm going to work with my younger daughter and then I'm going to start working on my school tomorrow, I will sleep late, but that's my job, isn't it? Taking care of my children's need is my job. It's your job also. I think we should not blame the schools and each other. We should take over wherever need be.
Again, another question.
Hi, ma'am. Meri beti, Harshali, can you hear Joshua sir clearly?
Yes.
Okay, मुझे लग रहा है धीरे बोल रहे हैं, चाय पिलानी पड़ेगी. Hi, ma'am. मेरी बेटी 21 साल नहीं 2 साल की है, 21 साल की है. And 2016-17 में स्ट्रीम 1 से क्लास 10 के 3 एग्जाम दिए थे, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो गई, उसके बाद कोई एग्जाम नहीं दिए. कब? 2016-17. मैम, पहली बात तो चेक कीजिए 5 साल पूरे हुए हैं कि नहीं. अगर नहीं हुए हैं तो आप अभी भी एग्जाम दे सकते हैं, और अगर हो गए दोबारा रजिस्टर कर लो. It again, you can again, your registration will be valid for 5 years. No problem.
But वो carry over नहीं होगा.
हाँ, आपके पिछले सब्जेक्ट्स क्लियर कैरी ओवर नहीं होंगे. नहीं होंगे. I'm sorry, I'll confirm this, but होंगे. 2 सब्जेक्ट्स कैरी ओवर होंगे. I asked Sandhya ma'am the other day. अगर आप नई रजिस्ट्रेशन लेते हो तो आपके लास्ट 2 सब्जेक्ट्स 90% कैरी ओवर होते हैं. Not 100% certain, but होते हैं. आज तक ये सिचुएशन फेस नहीं की. I can confirm for you, but can I get a chance to ask my? मेरी बेटी 10+ है, क्लास 4th में है, फॉर्मल स्कूल में, डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट भी बना है. इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी का किसी एज में NIOS में ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. मैम, NIOS के किस लेवल पे ज्वाइन करना है, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, सिर्फ आपकी बच्चे की एबिलिटी पे डिपेंड करता है. लेकिन अगर वो 10 के हैं और अगर वो स्कूल जाते रहे हैं तो चांसेस है कि आप बहुत इजीली 10 साल आप लेवल B पे ज्वाइन. Do I need to close all this? This is show? No, okay. Can I get a chance to ask my question? Of course.
This is Mrs. Shilpa Nandakarni. आप please आप
नीचे से कोई नहीं देखा.
आप फिर अपना please
Good evening sir, good evening ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've been trying since a long time now with the NIOS registration, and ma'am, when I tried to register once or twice, I got the OTP, but then that page which says that there are no study centers in Goa, तो वहाँ पे आके मैं stuck up हो जाती हूँ. And then I tried to get in touch with the Pratham Education Board, but they told me that 500 seats are, like, you know, their seats are full for this academic year, so I can register for the next academic year. But I'm not yet clear whether I can register for through NIOS, or I'll have to only opt for a study center in Mumbai, because I was living in Mumbai before, so I can do that. Whether I have to opt for a study center in Mumbai and get my son educated till the 8th level, and then go in for 10th NIOS in Goa. So ma'am, this is something I'm stuck up with.
Brian, I think can help you. You are in touch with the Pratham coordinator. And second, I think from what I've understood, you're asking, can you go to secondary without doing the OB level C? Of course you can, ma'am.
Okay.
If there is any such problem, rather than shuttling between Goa and Bombay, I would actually suggest कि आप 10th का अभी अगर आप register नहीं कर सकते, if you still, your child is not at the
12-year-old.
हाँ जी?
12-year-old son. Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
So one, you could, but you could definitely start preparing for 10th. 11 is too young.
He still has 3 years now.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, he's in grade 7 now in a regular school with a resource room, but that I mean, that training didn't happen in a very appropriate way, so I'm not comfortable with all that, ma'am. I want to take him again through OB, maybe level A also if required, no problem, but I want to get him educated properly, ma'am.
Ma'am, then I think what I would suggest is that you please give us some time. Okay.
Let me check about this Goa
we will
thing.
check with the regional center and see what better options you can have nearby Goa.
I can actually get back to you, ma'am. Let me actually check. But do we have anybody else from Goa in this group right now who can suggest which is the closest center? There's not one
Ma'am,
in
there
Goa.
are also a couple of other options that you can explore. One is that you can register a school somewhere in maybe in Bombay or somewhere else, and then you don't, because they're not going to give you classes, right? You only have to go there for the exam. So for the exam
Yes,
duration,
yes,
you can go over there. So there are some
Okay,
2-3
sir.
options that can be considered. You please give us some time, and I will check and get back to you to see if what is the best that can.
Definitely tell you that if there is no study center in Goa, which is the closest you have. But it's actually very surprising. Goa is such a a proactive place. In a place like Goa, you don't have any centers. Let us check which is the closest you have. I'll definitely get back to you. Could you send me a hi on a WhatsApp, please?
Surely, ma'am, surely.
I'll
Sure.
check.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Then you have a question from Mr. Aditya Basin. Ma'am, for this year, our OBE are asking for assignments for all subjects. So that is again study center dependent, sir. I don't know the study center that you have selected, are they asking for assignments, but that is definitely depend on the study center,
What?
whether they want to take assignments or not. But assignments and practical files are mandatory for 10th and 12th. For OBE, that is study center dependent.
At OBE level, they are asking for assignments. Yeah, it does happen in a lot of places. But okay, yeah, he's right. It's study center dependent. But it is not mandated by NIOS. NIOS has not, there is no mass distribution towards assignments. But okay, this OBE study center then must be doing it for their students also. We've heard this only once earlier.
Next question from Aditi. Hi ma'am, I am from Hyderabad. My daughter is down. Last year I took admission for level A, but my study centers are not functioning. I don't know which regional center should go to and contact.
Email to which I have NIS mail ID, but they never replied. Please, you need to know the regional center in Hyderabad. Let's Google right now.
Ma'am,
It'll take a second.
you go on first and I'll look for it. There's a list actually.
He's checking right now. This should not be very difficult, ma'am. आपके okay, उसमें नहीं आया होगा? I-Card regional center. Does anybody here know where the regional center for Hyderabad is?
Ma'am, this is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh or Hyderabad, Telangana?
Two Hyderabad's now.
Telangana, madam.
Telangana. Okay.
Yeah. But I tried in the groups also. There, nobody can reply.
Does your study center not know where the regional center is? Your study center, what are we looking at now? Level A. Your study center, okay, ma'am, the NIS certificate that will be issued by your study center will be a joint certificate. Your centers and the regional center's name will be mentioned on it. So there is absolutely no way that your study center does not know where the regional center is.
Ma'am, I found it. It is available. Okay, the place is Sultan Bazar Telugu Bhasha Nilayam Trust.
Okay.
If you know where that is, I just put in Google and I'll find it. I will try to send you this link in the chat.
Okay.
And all he has done is regional center, Hyderabad, Telangana. That's all.
Regional center of NIOS Telangana. That's all.
Okay. Okay.
But otherwise, your center will absolutely know because they will be issuing a joint certificate.
He's saying the center is not
But I called twice, ma'am. They are telling we are not at all functioning. Please go and meet your regional center. Don't call me.
Where the regional center is? Ma'am, anyway, see, your exams you have to take at the study center only. If the center is not active, you anyway have to change your center.
Ma'am, but during admission, you would have selected 3 centers, right?
Yes, you would have selected
Yeah,
3
2 centers also the same thing, sir. They are responding like that. We are not functioning.
Then I suggest you go to the regional center and give a complaint. They will give you options.
Regional center will basically take a complaint from you. But you will have to change your study center in the form also, right? But yes, go to the regional center first, ma'am.
Ma'am, they'll guide you.
They'll guide you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for responding to this.
I'm just putting ma'am's number in the chat.
Harshali, I think chat में तो हो गए.
Yes, yes. अभी जो raised है और रोहिताश sir है. I'm just asking to unmute. Yeah.
No, I don't have a question. What I'm saying is, I was part of an initiative here in Bangalore called Embrace, for NGO called Embrace, where we prepared the study material of NIOS chapters for special needs kids.
So could you say that again? You are a part of what?
I was a part of a voluntary initiative here in Bangalore. There's an NGO called Embrace. So what we did was that we took out the NIOS chapters and made presentations and Word documents, simplifying what was there in the chapter. So if anybody wants, I can share it with them.
Yeah, that will be wonderful. Embrace is doing a wonderful work. Initially, I was going to be associated with them, but then I think the timings were clashing. But yes, they have made beautiful adaptations. Please, everybody get in touch with him. What is the owner's name? Embrace,
Vijay.
the person.
Vijay.
Vijay, yes, Vijay, yes. Initially, I was going to do it for them, but I think something happened. The time was wrong. It wasn't meant to be as
It didn't
simple as
work
that.
out.
It didn't work out yet.
Then we have one more hand raised, Sangeeta Sagar. If you could just please unmute yourself and ask questions.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, good evening.
मैम आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा. हम एक चैरिटेबल सोसाइटी चलाते हैं मैम, और मेरे इसमें स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन हैं जो काफी गरीब फैमिली के हैं, बट यहाँ पे कोई स्टडी सेंटर नहीं है मैम NIOS का आगरा में. मैंने अब सर्च किया है, बट सब बंद हो चुके हैं. नाम तो बहुत हैं बट सब बंद हो चुके हैं. तो सर कोई ऐसा प्रोसीजर है कि हम अपने सेंटर में ही स्टडी सेंटर कर सके अपनी ही सोसाइटी में?
प्लीज कीजिए मैम. अभी हम लोग वही बात कर रहे हैं. आपने वो स्टडी सेंटर बहुत आसानी से बन सकते हैं. क्या आप कहीं पे रजिस्टर्ड हैं? आप NGO रजिस्टर्ड है, सोसाइटी रजिस्टर्ड है?
यस मैम, सोसाइटी रजिस्टर्ड है आगरा में.
तो फिर मैम प्लीज
और-
बन जाए. आपको बहुत फाइनेंशियल भी फायदा होगा और आपके बच्चों को भी बहुत फायदा होगा. So you absolutely, it is very easy.
ओके मैम, तो व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर?
मैम आपको NIOS साइट में जाना है, ठीक है. वहां जाके आपको जाओगे,
Okay.
you will find an option for accreditation. E-accreditation करके ऑप्शन मिलेगा NIOS साइट में.
मैम
मैम अभी
प्लीज.
लिंक भेज देते हैं मैम आपको.
हाँ,
अभी
ठीक है.
लिंक भेज देते हैं.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
इट्स वेरी इजीली डूएबल. बहुत इजी लिंक है. बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन भी नहीं भरनी, आपको बन जाना चाहिए. लेकिन मैम आप तो हमारे शहर में, हमारे स्टेट में हो. मैं अभी कल ही सी ऑल दीज मैसेजेस. The one best help I can do is that we're going to NIS very regularly. In fact, I'm meeting the regional director tomorrow itself. I'm definitely taking this list of places where you don't have regional centers.
यस
तो मैम मैं कल ही बात करती हूँ डेफिनेटली. लेकिन अगर आप सपोज आप पहले सेंटर है आगरा में, आपको तो बहुत जल्दी क्लियरेंस मिल जाएगी. मतलब वो पूरी हेल्प करेंगे आपकी बनने के लिए. तो प्लीज कोशिश कीजिए बनने की.
ओके मैम, आप थोड़ा सा गाइड कर देंगे अगर हमें, तो हम
बिकॉज सर ने अभी फॉर्म भरा है. इनफैक्ट कल भी हम इसी काम के लिए जा रहे हैं, किसी की यही हेल्प करने के लिए स्टडी सेंटर बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो. तो आप प्लीज फॉर्म भरिए, बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. वी विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू.
ओके, तो मैम आप ग्रुप में फॉर्म सेंड कर देंगे?
फॉर्म नहीं है मैम, लिंक दे भेज रहे हैं सर आपको, अभी भेज रहे हैं.
ओके, थैंक यू.
फॉर्म भरने में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, प्लीज गेट इन टच विद अस.
ओके, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Couple of questions in chat.
Who is 9 years old, going to a regular school, we now want to shift to NIOS. So what would be the procedure? Is disability certificate necessary for registration? We stay in Indrapuram. You stay in Indrapuram? Okay. That is like mera backyard. Ma'am, you can call me, I'll help you. Indrapuram में तो centers ही centers हैं. Disability certificate भी बहुत easily बन जाता है. In fact, इस area के disability certificate में तो मैं आपकी बहुत अच्छे से help कर सकती हूँ. आप can you unmute and tell me some specifics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
She's
sure.
right now in second standard, but the
Good.
syllabus and all is little, it's not that easy for her to understand. It's going overboard for
Which
her.
school is she going to? Which school is she going to?
Khaitan Public School, ma'am.
आप मेरे पड़ोस में आते हो. My school is right. Okay.
Okay.
Public school में तो लेकिन facilities मैंने सुना तो है अच्छी है.
हाँ 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 मैम सारे अच्छे हैं but for her to get her I mean to get through the syllabus for her it's syllabus modification भी करने के लिए they are ready but later on at least I want to go shift to NIOS only because
why-
there are certain sorry
Why
ma'am
don't you come across to our school? हमें
Yeah.
आपको तो आप खितान तक अगर आ रहे हैं we are in 29 sector आपको मैं books adaptation सब कुछ दिखा दूंगी. You're absolutely right, not right now but
Okay.
yes if you now start preparing mentally
yeah
for it, then you know you will be ready when you actually realize that she's not being able to cope at all.
exactly that is the reason I want to start at an early stage.
Usually pre-primary attempt हो जाता है, primary तक आते आते problem होनी शुरू हो जाती है, middle
Yeah.
school very difficult. It's at
Yes,
middle
ma'am.
school level when people start attempting. Why don't you come across? I could really
Sure,
help
ma'am.
you.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll personally, can I WhatsApp you, can I message you on WhatsApp, ma'am?
We're open Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So
Sure.
far,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody meet my cat. Meet one of my cats. All of them are roaming around here. We have 7, 8 cats.
Thank you, ma'am.
My younger one is very fond of, rescuing cats. We also have 2-week-old kittens.
Ma'am, okay.
My son-
Shobha Shet, we've got confirmation of the fees and the reference number for the NIOS senior secondary. Done this procedure 4 to 5 weeks ago and waiting for books. Ma'am, please don't wait for the books. Chances are that you might never get them. Please,
No, not true, not true,
please download them. Please download them from the internet.
not true.
And ma'am, secondly, the thing is that did you get a reference number or did you get the enrollment number?
That is the main point here. Ma'am, आपका admission हुआ नहीं है अभी, enrollment number नहीं आया. Enrollment number के 3-4 weeks के अंदर आ जाता है और अब books मिल रही हैं. हो सकता है आपके घर नहीं आए. Please अपने nodal center find out कर लीजिए. It's very easy to find out. Wherever you're based, ask your study center, ask for the nodal center. So even if the books are not coming to your house, you can go and collect them from the nodal center. Today from Amarjyoti, I got so many books and he's still saying you don't get them.
You don't get it to the house, ma'am.
घर पे कम आ रही है, that is because COVID has impacted all areas. So please find out the nodal center. You can collect from there. But that is only after you get the enrollment number, not without the enrollment number. Next question.
It's all great question. Any other question? Any further questions? Anybody?
Yeah, we have any other questions? I think Pratiksha has asked, please share the contact details for notes guidance given by NGO just mentioned. I mean, just before.
That is Rohit.
Yeah,
I think we have one more hand.
yes, Kajal Das Gupta. Yeah,
Please unmute and ask your question, please.
yes.
या मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल. मैं ऑलरेडी आपसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ चुकी हूँ. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम, एक्चुअली वी आर एन एनजीओ एंड आई एम अ पेरेंट एज वेल. सो हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने NIOS क्लियर किया हुआ है 10th का, बट एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है मैम. तो कैन यू गाइड अबाउट दैट? व्हाट नेक्स्ट?
आप कहाँ पे हो?
मैम बैंगलोर.
ओके मैम, मैं आपको 2 चीजें बताती हूँ. पहले जब तक ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्किल डेवलपमेंट वगैरह ये सब नहीं हुआ था, हम क्या करते थे, हम अपने स्कूल में ही at that point every solution was individual. I would speak to the child's parents and जैसे I'll give you examples. There was one child, उसका हमने उनके नया घर बन रहा था. This is before the government had become proactive. उनके घर में हमने बोला आप नीचे एक जो आप गैरेज बना रहे हैं उसको कन्वर्ट कीजिए शॉप में. So उसमें आप so we trained this child at school for a shop. उसको stock keeping, account holding, everything we trained him. For 2-3 of our students, we regularly train our students as assistant teachers. So in fact, our students who have helped us regularly get hired by other special schools in Noida as assistant teachers. So जब ये government proactive नहीं हुई थी, तब भी हम individual basis पे हम उनकी help कर पाते थे. But now I would actually suggest please go look for the Ministry of Skill Development's presence in your place. They will then be able to guide you very well because the government actually has become proactive. उनके बहुत सारी opportunities हैं. The Ministry of Skill Development has identified 40 skill areas for the unskilled population of India. Of those 40 skill areas, 16 have been identified for our students. So जहाँ पे भी आपको skill development का presence होगा, they will be able to guide you about what is happening in your own city. But even if that is not happening, I think on an personal basis, solutions can be found. That is what we've been doing so far.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.
Rohitesh again.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'll just tell. So I hired a company called Dheya, who give career guidance counseling to kids in 10th grade or 12th. So what should they do? And when I asked them, do you give counseling to autistic kids? They said yes, we will. And they talked to my son for a couple of times. And their procedure was, okay, you tell me your interests, and then we will see what occupations are can be done according to your interest. And my son doesn't have any interest. So then their working model became, it did not work. So I asked them, so I asked them, okay, if you cannot work, give me my money back. They said, I'll give you half the money. I said, no, I need the full money, because you said, and you guys don't have any pride in the profession that you do. And the moment your copy paste solutions don't work, you run away. So I think that got them. So they have again come back to me saying, okay, we'll try one more time and we'll see. So I'm just telling you, just telling the story so that before you hire, a similar company for your kid, please be aware that it's not an easy thing to do.
It has happened today morning only. Somebody had called me from, I could tell you the company's name right now. And she has, my phone? She has tied up with, just a second. Ekam, can you please give me my phone? I'll tell you the name of the company. They called me this morning, and the woman, they know her very well. She has to be authentic. Microsoft, they are hiring graduates, not senior secondary people. Microsoft is hiring graduates and training them. She called me this morning. They had a requirement for 50 people. 50 people of any ability, but who were graduates. And after having done 12 senior secondary from NIOS, doing a graduation course, at least that is what my daughter is going to be attempting this year. After she finishes 12th, I'm definitely approaching IGNOU for a graduation course. If I could adapt 10th and 12th, I can adapt this, graduation course also. I'll just tell you the company's name. Wait, I'll get my phone.
That's a very funny story. She used to say, after 10th, I will do 12th. After 12th, she started saying, I will go to college. Although I don't know where she picked it up, but she kept saying, after 12th, I will go to college. After 12th, I will go to college. After 12th, I will go to college. And then
even my son does that. After 12th, I'll go to college. But why? Because I told you, if you want to make girlfriends, you can only make them in college, not in school. So he's very anxious to go to college.
No, but the point I'm trying to make is that the kid was very clear, I have to go to college, so then we will have to make sure she finishes college now.
Yeah, there was a point where I used to say that my daughter can't do level B. I was quite convinced. Her inclusive school had convinced me she can't. And I'm so glad that there were people around me who, overlooked. उन्होंने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी और उसको enroll कर दिया. If left to myself, she would not have done even level B. So we tend to, underestimate our children. I'll just tell you.
So this is another question from Rupika. Just wanted to, as soon as we submit the registration, we will get an enrollment number. No, ma'am. As soon as you submit the registration, you will get a reference number. And what happens is that after you submit the form, there is going to be a 2 to 3 weeks time for verifying and validating the documents that you upload. So once you do that, once that get done and approved in the system, only then you will be able to get the registration number. Sorry, the enrollment number.
I deleted. Okay, the company's name is Cognizant.
Cognizant, CTS.
And yeah, and I'm sorry, I didn't read, and they're not hiring for Microsoft. Sorry, they're hiring for Google. But इनको मेरे बारे में कैसा पता लगा? Because I have gone and registered with the Ministry of Skill Development. So anything coming to them, they will forward to me. But it so happened that this person I know anyway. So she told me very clearly that I need people right now who might not have finished graduation, but who have at least started.
So here in Bangalore, SAP, Google, Microsoft, IBM, these guys are hiring people, especially autistic people for their QA activities. But again, they have to be like engineers and graduates. But also these companies have another program on which they don't look for any qualification at all. So you give an entrance exam, and then if your child is very good in something, they'll just go ahead and hire.
Also,
So
there is in Noida we have a lot of malls. So Shoppers Stop and Pantaloons and a couple of other people in our malls, they hire, earlier it used to be only people with hearing issues, deaf and dumb people, for the reception level or for on the billing counter. Now they started hiring ID people also, and the person actually carries a badge saying that yes, I'm ID, would you like to be served by me? They even do that option. So now this is also something that happened way before Ministry of Skill Development had got formed. We had approached these people and told them that this person can do this and we can stay with them for the next couple of months for hand holding. And it was our own endeavor. This was before the government started telling them you have to do it. Even then people were open. So agar aapko Ministry of Skill Development nahi bhi mil raha, apna dimag khula rakhiye and you will be able to find opportunities.
I think we are done with all the questions. Anyone else? I'll just wait for.
You have a group active. What is there? You are absolutely most welcome to send in a question anytime.
Yes, and added Jaspreet, ma'am, you can always ask questions there. Yeah, if you're not in group or something, you just ping me, I'll add you, I'll connect you to the ma'am. I mean, anything. Yeah.
And I would still recommend any question, try typing it on the NIS website. You might get an answer faster than you get it from me. That's what we do.
Yeah.
There is a bot there.
That's not too active.
Okay. No, for disability certificates and all these sites, no, if you type these things, no, it comes. I mean, आ जाती है information, काफी सारे connection links आ जाते हैं इसमें. Okay, I think can we wrap up today's session then, because I think all questions are very well answered and detailed, and
this for Goa, this Goa person we are finding out, and for Telangana, there was one other place who needed a study center, Agra. ठीक है, ये दोनों.
Agra, they wanted to become a link with you.
अच्छा ठीक है. But we'll find out. Agra में study center नहीं होना, that is also not making too much sense. These two questions I'll definitely check tomorrow morning and get back.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am and Joshua sir. I mean, I know आपने काफी आपका time और ये आपने बहुत दिया हमारे SNIC parents के लिए. I mean, really thankful for that. I mean, बहुत helpful हुआ, and we have all these sessions uploaded on YouTube, so anybody can go and check those questions, sessions there.
My request to everybody is only one thing. Okay? So NIOS is a beautiful system. So please propagate as much as you can. And I know there is a lot of misinformation also. So based on the information that you have received, please don't keep it to yourselves. Please spread the information so that a lot of people can get benefited. And more importantly, let us empower parents and people who are actually who are vulnerable because of the misinformation.
The EWA section is actually vulnerable because उनके neurotypical बच्चे जो system से बाहर निकल जाते हैं, they realize that NIS is one way of getting back into the system, but then they are the ones who are exploited the most. So if you have maids around you, if you have child labor around you, we do that a lot. Please recommend उनको थोड़ा सा empower कीजिए, encourage कीजिए कि आप वापस system में आ सकते हो. See, our students will have to go through the system. They can only do NIOS. But suppose you have a neurotypical child who for some reason, family problem, has come out of the system, he can, because of the age relaxation, actually go back to the mainstream system. NIS का एक class करके वो वापस जा सकते हैं. So what I think we're trying to say is that please encourage, please pass on the information as much as you can.
Actually, I've also suggested my maid yesterday only to go for this, because due to COVID, they don't have that much finance to, go for the regular mainstream and everything. No, they got disconnected. I mean, obviously उन लोगों को इतना, I mean they don't have online this material resources, laptop, mobile, so they don't have it. So still that I suggested कि you don't waste your time and बच्चे का time मत ये करो, you can go for NIS. I mean anti-kid, but still, I mean this is like I also got to know so many things.
He can, you know, finish his level even if he's gone behind. He can finish one level and go back to his regular school. They
Yes.
need not continue with NIS.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us. It was actually a wonderful audience. I
Thank
enjoyed
you.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Take care.
you. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
This is nice.
Thank you.